welcome back to another video. My name is Lori. What do I have for you today? Well, I'm glad you asked. I got my premium box from BOXYCHARM. That's right, this is the premium. I've only received one box from BOXYCHARM so far this month. It is, oh, I don't know. I know it's after the 10th of February. That's all I do know. Because I had to get my Galentine's Day video collab recorded and get it ready. You guys are gonna love it. Or if this airs afterwards, I hope you enjoyed it. There's plenty of time to still enter those giveaways. All right, what is our theme for February for BOXYCHARM? Be My GLAM-ENTINE. Kind of cute, you know, like Galentine. All the items that you have inside your box are listed on the back of this card. Over here in the bottom right, my variation is 201. What's the total value of this box? Well, you're going to see it at the end of this video right up here. The bottom of your screen as we go along, right here, you're going to see each and every one of these items along with their price. So what is on the back of this card? It's a description. It's a brief description of the product, and it's also the retail price. It's not what I paid. I only paid, was it $39 for this box, and it is monthly. I got the Retro by Huda. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. This is the Mercury Retrograde. It's a very pretty palette. Not what I'm wearing. No, this is the Reese's right above me. Let's see right here. I'm wearing the Reese's and I'm wearing the dark chocolate palette. But this is her palette. This is really pretty. I chose this one. I think, you guys, I can't remember half the time whether or not this was a choice that, you know, I got to make or I didn't. But if it was, I chose this palette. I can't see me passing this up. If you subscribe to Yari G, she has about 4 or 5 videos of all different looks that you can get. You can create by using this palette. And she's also giving one away to her Galentine, which is an active giveaway on her channel right now. And you can also go do the one with the AI8 that I'm going to be showing you guys in another video. She's doing a giveaway on that one too. So I actually entered her Galentine giveaway, not because I wanted this palette again, but because of some other stuff she's given away. Anyway, absolutely gorgeous palette. Like I said, she's got several videos showing you all kinds of different looks that you can create. You know, get your creative juices flowing. All right, that one goes for $67. It's the Mercury Retrograde Eyeshadow Palette. Let's see what else I got in here. By Christoph Robin. This is the Instant Volumizing Leave-In Mist with Rose Water, Uplifted Roots, and Fuller Lengths. So this is not something I would ever use. My daughter, maybe. Or somebody else. Maybe one of you guys. Put it in a giveaway. This one comes in at $39. That's a lot for a small bottle. That's a lot of money for a small amount of hair product. That's all I'm going to say about that. And then this one is by Vike Makeup Melt. Now, I've heard some things about this. I do use the one size, which is that mist, the melt off. This one comes in a pump. Okay. Now, how much is this one going for? This is $24. So it's not a bad price, but I'm kind of spoiled on the spray, you know, the aerosol spray, because I can just spray it right across my eyes. I let it sit for about 2 minutes and the makeup, especially the mascara, just melts. And then I take one of my face halo discs. It just cleans it right off. But, and you know what, I'm not going to open this because it may end up in a giveaway. I don't know. I haven't decided yet. But like I said, having a pump as opposed to the spray, I prefer the one size with the spray, the aerosol. Okay, the next one is Primed for the Night. This is the eyeshadow primer by, well, it says Moonlight. Let's see. Moonlight Makeup, Primed for the Night. This is $18. This is a new launch for Boxy. And it says this is an eyeshadow primer with a sheer natural tint and silky, lightweight formula that prevents creasing so it doesn't interfere with your favorite colors. Get primed for the night and enjoy vibrant, lasting color wherever your adventures lead. So I have heard bad things about this product. I'm not going to try it, nor am I going to, I don't want to open up the container. But I have heard that the makeup, once you get this and put it on your eyes, it goes on really nice. It is sheer. You can't see it. But when you start putting on your eyeshadow starts patching, flaking off. You can't blend. You can't, you know, sit there and try to work your shadows, get your shadows, blending them together. From what I've seen, just in the videos I've watched, horrible reviews. But everyone always says, you know, it doesn't necessarily mean it's going to happen to you. So I always have to keep that, you know, the open mind. The next one is the Eyelash Boost Serum by Dime Beauty. And this one's also all sealed up. Grow your own naturally full, beautiful long lashes with the help of this best-selling Eyelash Boost Serum. Improve length, density, and strength of the hair and overall follicle health with the proprietary blend of amino acids and peptides. At $44, it's a new brand Boxy. Interesting. I really don't need eyelash serum. I have several boxes of different types and brands. So maybe one of you guys will get lucky in a skincare or makeup box. I don't know. And you'll end up with that. I don't see me keeping it. And last but not least, this is Badass MF. I'm not going to say it. But let's see, where is this one? Badass MF Lip Liner. Shape and fill in your lips to add definition and structure. It's a new brand of Boxy as well for $16. And this one is in Angelou. And this is a lip liner. The packaging is pretty, I mean, right? And there's the name, Angelou. I don't know. I don't know, guys. I don't know. I mean, can it be my color? Can it be a color I wear? It, you know, I don't know. Yeah, it can. It's dry. It's very dry. It is beautiful. Similar, yes. Yes, but it went on very dry. It is a pencil, not a roll-up. Doesn't bother me. I just bought a brand new pencil sharpener. You remember the old ones from the school? They were mounted on the wall when you first came in the door of your classroom in 2nd grade, and you just went like this. Yes, because all of my battery operated ones, the blades kept going out, and I'm tired of changing the blades in there because I got a freaking obsession with pencils. Anyway, that's it, you guys. That's all of it. And what is my total? Oh, jeez, come on. It's right here. You're all going, so how much was everything? Well, like I said, it's right there. Okay, that's all of it. Let's see, we got 3 of these. 2 of them are going to be going in a giveaway. At least the serum, the primer. You might have better luck with it than everybody else is. The makeup melt, I don't know. This is a 50-50 shot of me keeping it. The Christoph Robin, I'll check with the girls in my family and see if anybody wants that. If not, it'll go in a giveaway. And then, of course, the center stage was the retrograde. The Mercury Retrograde by Huda Beauty. So I think I did pretty good. Not a bad haul. Thank you very much, Boxy. I appreciate it. This was a nice premium box. I'm mad about the other stuff. You guys, for $39.99 a month? No, I'm not mad at everything else. That palette in there by Huda pretty much paid for this box. That's it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Do me a favor, give this video a thumbs up before you take off. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button over there. Turn on your notifications. It lets you know when I upload another video. Don't forget, I do have my 4 other alter egos. They don't always do videos by themselves. Once in a while, they like to show up, but you don't want to miss Sassy. Miss Sassy Pants, she's starting to do quite a few more videos. She loves Mask Monday. And now she's going to start unboxings. I don't know what's going on. And she is Queen of Skincare. So she's doing skincare videos. I don't know. Maybe she'll start doing tips and tricks and makeup looks. I don't know. We'll see. But you guys don't want to miss that either. All right. Take care. And I'll see ya in my next video. Bye.